maybe perhaps you heard me doing some because it was my microphone being on. But yeah, this is yet another devs and holders meeting, number 61. The red wave incoming, and it's not the red wave as of Republican Party or communism or whatever politics. No, nothing like that. We are speaking of economic and basically about the markets, the crypto markets, but also the usual normal classic markets as well. Did you short? That was the question that Big Short Bets asked you just a few moments ago. I'm gonna show this to you. I hope I got it here somewhere. Yeah, I got it. There it is. Yeah, did you short? That's a question for you today. You can write it here on Twitter or on our Big Short Bets app or here in the chat. If you are here with us on the chat, leave a thumbs up. And as always, my name is Mikołaj. With me, Mr. Orłoś and Bartek. What's the plan for today, guys?
So we have a plan today. So we're gonna show you the new update 31 of the web desktop app. The Bartek gonna show you the new changes and so on. And later, after we're gonna do the showcase, we're gonna talk about what we have done as a Big Short Bets, our we can say success, our organized what we organized, what we done with Luna and so on. So stay tuned because it's gonna get really interesting. And so yeah, that's the plan for today.
All right, so before we get to Bartek and his update, as always, we are showing you the amount of active accounts on the tool page, which is over 4,500 people, active accounts, active users as of now. While the active users are skyrocketing, you might say, to the moon, as Orłoś said, Luna is going now. This is probably the best, the first project that actually went down to zero. But before that, as always, yeah, we're gonna speak about the platform, because this is devs and holders meeting, and our devs got some news for you. That's why we are here. First of all, jokes aside, over to you, Bartek.
Hello everybody. Let me share my screen.
All right, I can see we have some technical difficulties because
and he went off. Okay.
he tried. Okay, he came back. Sorry guys for that.
I think
We are
I'm sorry. Something happened. Maybe it's like a Luna sabotage or something like this. Sorry guys.
That was fast.
Yeah, sorry. Actually, I just clicked share my screen and my Discord just explode. So I don't know why.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. But yeah, guys, if you are here on the chat with us, leave a comment if you short Luna, or did you short something else? Maybe you just shorted Bitcoin, perhaps, or maybe you're gonna short something else. Write in the comment what you got. I see there is a lot of Polish, obviously. And yeah, there it is. Did you short? Yes and no. You have a poll in the chat right now. Okay, so I'm getting on the stream here, and let's see what we got from Citral. There you go. So this is the front page of the tool.
Yes. Okay. Actually, my video is turned off. Or okay, sorry guys. I'm back. Okay. Hello one more time, and I like to start with when most of the projects crying and.
Sorry, Bartek.
And
sorry, before we start, can you move your microphone a bit away from your mouth, because it's really loudly.
Like this, like this.
Oh yeah, it's much better. Thanks.
It's better.
All right,
okay.
Back to you. Yeah.
Yeah, I just like to start like this. If when mostly project bleeding and crying, we just give we just give you our updates and rebranding and new features, like I said before, and several devs and holders meetings ago. May will be really good for Big Short Bets and for all the updates. As we said last time, we want to add, we want to improve our platform like more or marketing way. That's why we rebrand our platform to give you better user experience. So let me show you how it looks right now. Maybe somebody can see it right now because we just deployed like several minutes ago. So, Mikołaj, please can you fit my screen? I think
Sure.
it's
It's bigger than I
okay.
thought. That's what she said. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
great.
as you see, as we show you on previous holders meetings, we just switch our buttons, our layout, and everything. Looks different, and in our opinions, looks better. You can always give me your feedback. We try to always listen you and add features like you want. So as you see, this is new view, new main view, new view of baits, new layout. So for now, we focus on this. This is like a first step of our releasing in May. In next steps, we focus on the login page and market. So it will be maybe next week. And we will show you on next the Devon holders. But for now, let's focus on the features like groups. So in the groups, I need to wait a little bit for the Tor. Okay, we have Tor browser here.
Yeah, that is the price of anonymity.
Yeah, and sometimes works just slow a little bit. So if you are now on the live and you are available to connect to our platform and you see the group what I create right now, let's just send a request to the group and I will show you how feature add all. So like you can add all members who request to join to your group. You can do this with one button. So this feature is live. This feature is now available in our platform, and as moderation baits, is live on the platform. So, like we said, we focus to these improvements right now. So let me 61.
Yeah, this actually looking pretty good. So this is how the platform gonna look like from now on.
Yes, platform gonna look right like this, and as you see, I'm at a moderated group. So as the owner and moderator, in this future, I can moderate all debates who user want to add in my group. So I just save that group. That group is added to Big Store Bets. If you have a minute, and it will be happen on the live, I will get a notification, send request. I will add you to the group and show how button odl works. uh, you can trust me, it works. We tested this or our testnet, so it's working. But in the next few releases, we're gonna add more features to the groups. Uh,
Good.
so for now, as you see, maybe there's no too much that backside, like that backend work. We focus on that front end side, that user experience. You're gonna see in the next few weeks, you're gonna see uh, another changes like in scoring in debate, like a profile view in your profile. This whole views you will gonna change, and and there will be more functionality to you, more I can say it, more easy to use. As we said, we are still in the sandbox period, so when we add some features, when we add some views, when we add some new user experience methods for you, just give us a feedback. We will try to improve in this and add this in the future releases. So for now, I think that's all. Let me let me know how it how it looks, how you like it, and if you need always help, you can send me a message via Telegram, and I will try to help you.
Yeah, let's just stop here for a bit. I'm really, for me personally, I really like the new layout because you see clearly the hashtags. Are actually the hashtags clickable, or can you click on the hashtags to see on, or it's
Yes,
just
hashtags are clickable, and you can
oh,
go
look at this.
straight to the hashtag view, and you can see, and now you can see like how many baits with this hashtag is already on the platform. This is like a hashtag view, yeah. So every content who have that hashtag or something like this is on that view. As you can see here on the right section, you have the most popular hashtags in the periods of times, like 24 hours, 12 hours, and all. So probably all it will be PL or crypto. Okay, crypto. I thought the PL like language, but most popular hashtag on our platform is crypto. So you can go straight to that view and you can see the whole baits who compared to that hashtag. So
That's cool. I really like it. Especially the first thing I like about it, it's a great layout. It's look more accessible and more, I would say, more advanced, and it is really a step ahead. You can see the development here. You know, we are jumping straight the layout what that was before to this one. You can really see the improvements that we made, and obviously, like Bartek said, we listened to all the feedback that the users had to us, and we really try to implement it to look it better, to make it work better, more faster. And personally, I like this very much because you can see that our dev team was working day and night to make it look better, to not to just make it better, I think.
I
So
will show you how it
um,
looks now, just so you have comparison. This is what it is basically.
this is the old look, yeah.
So that is a
This is the new look.
huge step.
Yeah,
but
that is a step ahead.
you share your screen right now, or it just a screenshot? Because
No,
No,
it's my screen. It's my screen.
it's your screen. We actually deployed that new version, so maybe just refresh your site,
Ooh, let me,
and you will
let me.
and you will
Yeah.
have a new view. So this is live. I'm not
Woo!
sharing you. I'm not showing you a test version. Is all live.
oh yeah,
Yeah,
you
So
can
it's
it
see.
got
already
live
been
just now.
deployed.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so it got
magic
refreshed. So
happened.
now, yeah, exactly. So if you now log on the platform, you're gonna have a new look. That's great. That's great. That's good job. Good job. Chat, you can say a good job to the dev team because they made. I can see that that Bartek, you are right. Like these colors of the tags in the dark mode needs a small fix because they're
Yes,
not visible gray. But yeah, these are small improvements that's gonna be straight.
Mhm.
It's gonna be fixed in the next update for sure. In a light mode, like normal mode, it looks better. It's easily visible and everything looks fine. Great, good job, dev team, good job, Bartek. So you can say from us and from Chad that you made a piece of good job. Really proud of you. It's really
yeah,
something to
and also
show.
and let us know how new features in groups work. So that features, as we said last time, so add all button and moderating posts baits is already live. So let us know how it works, how you like it or no, or maybe you want to add something more in this. So let us know.
Yeah, Bartek, I have a question for you. Do you know what about this button that accept all in a groups, that you can
Oh,
accept
yes.
all invitations? Because
Yeah, I already said that. I already said that. Add all, it's like a accept all. So it is
Add
that
all.
button.
Okay,
So
sure. Mm-hmm.
yeah,
okay, so it's
So
right now. So it's working right now. Yeah.
it's right now. So Mikołaj, can you just share my group, like I said, like live meeting or something like this should be.
Should I find it?
Yeah, live test.
Yeah.
That
I
Live
group.
test. Sure.
try to join it.
Yeah, and try to join it.
Oh my god, this whole thing changed groups. And I'm gonna type live test.
Oh, okay. So somebody already sent a request. So as you see, accept all. I have that button. I click
Wait,
that
Okay,
wait,
button.
so
I need to show it. Yeah, here we
yeah.
go.
Oh, I already click. Okay.
Okay, I will
Let me wait
join
for
it.
you.
Slow down.
Let me wait for you.
Guys, if you don't know, this is how our meetings
Yeah,
look like.
I have
So
another one. I have another one.
there is always wait, don't accept. Wait, we switch
There you go. You can do it
screens.
now.
There we go. Yeah,
Yeah, no,
as you see, as many requests as you can have, you can only click accept all, and that whole request will be accepted and added to the group. And already, if your group is like moderated, you can edit this group. You can edit that feature like here in the edit in the option in the settings, edit this group. So now this section below Bennett disappear, and you can turn it on and pending baits work. So if somebody who I just accept want to add bait in my group right now on the live, yeah, that bait gonna show for me first. I need to accept this, and then I can add this group. So if somebody want, please give me something to add live right now. But I think we showed it the last time on our last Devon holders.
Yes.
It works, and now it's live for everybody.
okay, cool. So, guys, let us know
Yep.
if you like it or not. You can WhatsApp. You can always tell us what you think here in a live chat or on our Telegram. We always open for some feedback. Positive or negative, it's always good feedback, because the negative is always better, because if you point out our weaknesses or the things that needs to be improved, then we have something to work on. So, but guys, I hope you like it. Bartek, is this all from you right now?
Yeah, right now, sorry guys, but I need to go early today.
Sure.
Okay.
So thank you one more time. That was a quick update. Test it. Let us know how you feel with that new view. Maybe what feature you want to add. And thank you, everybody.
Sure. Thank you so much.
All right. So we could say we just end this part of the
Bye,
DEVS
guys.
holders meeting when we present new changes. Bye, Bartek. Thanks for the presentations of the new changes. It really looks good. Good job, Bartek.
Yes.
Good
Thank you
job.
so much.
Bye.
Yeah. So, guys, right now we just finished this part when we show a few new changes, and there is a lot of stuff because I want to talk to you about. As you can see, we strictly followed the big short on the market made by Rafał Zaorski. Recently, he closed his shorts. He's up $10 million on the shorts he earned. So it's a pretty good sum, I think. Something that is really this is really cool. But what happened? We could say we told you since the beginning of the year. We were telling you that there will be problem with the Luna chain if there will be sell-off on the both sides of both the UST and Luna, and we can see the market is really red. What happened is Luna is it's good short. But this kind of stuff should not happen. People lost a lot of money, but we are advising you and telling you that you have to watch out when it comes to this, because it's really risky, it's really unsustainable, and so on. But besides that, we could say that Luna is the first project that has been officially shorted by bigshortbets to zero.
Oh yeah,
To
there
zero.
you
We
go.
were right. We were right. We told you so. And basically, those who follow us, follow our community, follow the stuff that we writing on the bigshortbets platform, and join the short, there are in gains. Probably less of the rest of the people that had diamond hands are underwater. I'm really sorry for you guys. Maybe next time you're gonna listen to us and just join our actions on the Twitter and on the platform.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is there is a lot of success here. As you can see, there's a new version of the platform is deployed. Second thing, Rafa always advises me to not speak about it, but recently we had bigshortbets when the whole market was red, the biggest B was making all-time high. How much? You can check that yourself. We're not going to show the price or the chart, because we don't do that here. This is about devs and holders meeting. We are close to launching and developing the market, actually. Maybe in the following weeks we're gonna start the test, like for sure. Right in the close contacts with our CTO. We are right now in the context of making this audit possible, and so on. So we're gonna have some proper audit. If you have some, as always, if you have some suggestions, which company we should choose for the audit. Last time we were talking about it, it was 30K, Haken, and Kudelski Security.
Yeah, there
From
were
these
few,
three, the
yeah.
Kudelski Security sounds the best, but I really want to know your opinion, what you're thinking
the
about
Swiss
it.
one from Switzerland, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of pricey, but our users' security and so on, it's really important for us.
Yeah,
So
it's priceless.
yeah, and probably with the win that Rafa had, we had some really open budget for that. I'm looking forward to it, but yeah, it's really not a topic. What else? Yeah, I didn't mention that the UST lost its peg. It was traded 0.22 cents on a dollar on the Binance. That's really bad. And also other projects followed, because the waves, the USDN that has been it was the same with the USDN. It was 0.82 on a dollar, and so on. So the market conditions are really bad. So Mikołaj, I send you one meme that we can show on the why website is not open source. Listen, we are still in the phase of development. When we'll be ready, when the code will be ready, the code will be audited, and we will be make sure that we won't be copied or someone would not be able to do something with the code. After the audit, probably we will prepare the code for the releasing to the open source. But right now we know that some projects actually trying to make some competition, and we don't really want to make fuel for that, because many of our solutions are innovative in terms of the web app and the Android app. The fact that we have directly implemented the Tor connection into the app, so you don't need third-party apps on your phone to connect with Tor network.
There's a lot of work put into that, so that might be the reason why it's business is business, right? That's how
Exactly,
I see it, at
exactly.
least.
So
That's how I understand this decision.
yeah, yeah, exactly. So we said we're gonna be on open source, but right now we want to prepare everything to release the open source, because
Sure.
it's not gonna go like it shouldn't work like this, that you work straight from the open source and try to make everything. We have our schedule, our plan for everything, but we said it's gonna be open source, so it's gonna be. But when? Stay tuned for the information.
Fair
On
enough.
the screen you can see the meme, what actually happened with UST. So yeah, so yeah, we there's a lot of success. Our socials are gaining. The Big Short Bets Twitter is straight to the 20K. This is a milestone for us, another milestone for us. This is really cool, because it's all organic. We didn't have an airdrop. We didn't shield. We didn't pay for the viewers uh, on the Twitter. So those 19.6 thousand followers that we have on the Twitter, those are only the people that want to follow us, no one else. And we slowly getting more and more people to see about us, because we, and the best thing is that we just it's just the beginning. So this is just a start for us. We can say we are already 1 year, something more than 1 year on the market. So we just starting off, so this is just the beginning.
It is,
And
yeah.
our journey, for sure, we're gonna be cool. If you're looking for the information on what's gonna be shorted next, I highly encourage you to join our platform on the biggest BAO. Download Tor, download MetaMask for it, and just join the Big Short Bets platform, Big Short Bets community, to see to see what's going on, because the all information is there. And people are right now, people are organizing there and making, as we can see, we organize pretty well when it comes to Luna and actually the whole market. So yeah, so do you have any questions at this point? I will be more than
a lot
happy
of
to
stuff is
answer
going
that.
on here, Mr. Orwash. But obviously, happy to see some updates, especially when I was so sure it came out like this. When I just refreshed it, and wow, it's a whole new stuff going on here, and I'm happy about it, because it's not only great information with all the assets of anonymity, freedom of speech, and stuff like that, but also it looks goddamn good. Okay, so yeah, if you have some questions, let us know in the comment. We will try to get some. Remember, Mr. Orwash is a community manager, so he might not have all the answers for you, but he will have almost certainly
I will find them.
99%, and he for sure will find the missing 1 or even 2% to make it 100%. So
Yeah,
easy about it.
actually, being a community manager is just the part of what I'm doing in the Big Short Bets project, because I'm coordinating all the activities on the social media together with our another friend, Lenki. We are coordinating everything, making that we are visible on the internet. So all the articles on the Medium, Twitter, Telegram, and so on. This is our job to do, to inform you about everything, and interact, and just make some mess sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is actually, that's actually pretty cool. So guys, do you have any questions so far? Maybe about the layout, about the project, about the things that we are doing, and so on.
Well, first of all,
Because
a
there is
huge
a
beer for accept all, because it's working and it's looking nice. So that's the first thing. Yeah. Before you go on with stuff, this is something I say quite a lot on these live streams, and this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. And as you can see, even as of the incoming users, it's not about going up to the moon and stuff like that. It's not a short term whatever something. Yeah, sure, we do short a lot, But as you see, it's a nice and steady going up here with a little nice waves of what you said, a little not chaos, but well, action perhaps might be a better word, of around the social media. That was the first one, that was the second one, and this is the latest one, and it's going more and more. And this is the same with not only the users coming to see the new tool, but and the community, the groups and all that stuff, but also, you know, it's going to develop to the places that you guys tell the devs to go. So there are few goals, obviously, but you know, it's just a little over a year and it's going really nice. It's a live stream number 61. Just imagine what's gonna happen when the live stream is number 100, which is in 40 so weeks, which is a little less than a year from now. So yeah.
There is a question why you didn't hide user wallet address. It is public and you can search on the Google BSC scan information about the user. I mean, because this is the thing, you know, the only thing used. We don't have any KYC on our platform. You don't use your name, surname, email, or anything like that. The only thing that you use to log in, so the only information about you that the platform has, is just your wallet address. This is what Web3 is about. We don't use email here or any ID and so on. We only use the address. You can always make the different address on the MetaMask and so on. So this is from the beginning. We are thinking that the only information about the user is gonna be the wallet address. So if you are afraid, you don't want to use the wallet address that you use use transactions on, you can always set up a new wallet,
right? Yeah.
Yeah, you can always set up a new wallet that is gonna be just used for the bigshortbets platform. But remember that everything you do on the platform, so the whole ranks and the reputation that's gonna get, is gonna be stitched to this wallet address. But we were informing from the beginning. You know, this is something that we have to choose, or we choose to use your name, surname, and collect the data.
I mean,
From
this is
you,
the same
or
stuff
you're gonna
with any other platform. You can make a new email. You don't have to use your business email or private email that you're using day to day basis, but you can just make a new one, and you know, whatever. The same with wallets. So yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we use it. But you know, it's a Web3. So the only thing you use your wallet and you log in with your Ethereum wallet address. But this functionality was, you know, this is how it was designed to make sure that actually your identity won't be disclosed. Because who knows who actually owned the wallet? You know, there is no information. If you set up address on the MetaMask or Ledger or any other wallet, nobody asks you about your name, surname, email, or anything like that. Of course, I don't count the centralized exchange and so on if they have wallet, but we are talking about decentralized solutions here. So those solutions always there is always something for something, and here we don't. Like I said, we don't use your personal information, but we use your wallet address, because this is something that we have our system have to somehow distinguish you from the others. So, and we actually think that this wallet address is the best solution to distinguish the users, and you know, to make it work. Maybe you have other solution. I will hear about it, but this is how our platform was designed from the beginning, and I think it's a great solution. And like I said before, if you are really if you are scared that you don't want to disclose your personal main wallet address, set up a new one, set up a new address, and log in with that on the platform and make account on this one. You know, so yeah.
Yeah, sometimes
Guys, do you have any questions or comments? Yeah, exactly. So guys, do you have any more questions and comments about the project? There is a lot to answer. It's a 61st devs and holders meeting. So this is 61st devs and holders meeting. So you can there's 60 more on there should be 60 more on our YouTube page. If you want to see some information, almost all the meetings have titles for sure since the 30, I think. So you can check the titles and see what we are speaking about then, and maybe you will find the answers and so on.
There you go. You can. I mean, if you are here, you can just go over and search around for stuff. It's both in Polish and English over here, especially mentions and reviews. Wzmianki i recenzje. So yeah, you might find something for you, no doubt. That's how many it is. So there are a few complaints, obviously, because nothing is perfect.
Yeah, it's the first
but it will
deploy,
be.
so
it will be going.
Yeah,
to have...
exactly. So the idea is we just deploy the new code. We're gonna get tested out, and for sure, like the first week, we're gonna gather on all the feedback that people have, and we're gonna set up improvements. But yeah, this is how we do it over here. I think it's good. I think it's look good. It works. Of course, there are small improvements that needs to be done, but in overall, we are working. And of course, we are working on the website rework. But this is something that we're gonna save for the other devs and holders meetings.
Mm-hmm.
Other than that, guys, do you have any more questions regarding the project and today's meeting? Maybe something else. Maybe do you have some problems or something that needs to be addressed?
You know what I like about the communication of bigshortbets? It's that you guys and we guys here on live streams, we say things that the viewers, the people, the community wants to hear, but also things they don't want to hear. That they're gonna be delayed, that they're going to be whatever in the way, but the most important thing that this is honest. This is not like some politicians saying you're gonna have stuff incoming, you're gonna have it done. Yeah, sure, you will, but it takes patience, it takes work. This is the team. They are here every week for 60 over weeks. It's a 61. You have great opportunity to ask them questions. You have great opportunity to write to them, and I think this is the core of it. Even the code is not available yet to you, but come on, you have white paper, you have open book basically here and there, and you have faces behind this project, not just one guy being some kind of influencer and whatever. I think I found a meme just a moment ago. But yeah, this is it. This is the entire team coming over, and this is not a joke. This is this is not like this all the time. I mean, it is sometimes, sure, but it's not just.
But we are not trying to polish our words here. We are always speaking how it goes. If we have a delay, we inform you about that, because we believe that we should telling the truth to our community, even though sometimes the truth is not so good. But this is something we don't want to lie. We are, we want to get, like we want to speak truth to our community, because if we're gonna lie, the lie always comes out. So sooner or later, someone's gonna catch us our lie, and our trust will be there will be problem with trust in our project, and we wanna make sure that
and you know what happens with losers. This happens.
Like exactly. So we wanna make sure that our community trust our team, and we as a team trust our community, and we are trying to make this bond working. So So we are creating everything. That's why we not lying. We are not artificially pumping our socials and so on from the beginning. We are not,
Yeah.
I get like hundreds of messages on the Telegram saying, do you need Twitter followers? Do you need Telegram users, or maybe or announcement channel? What do you need, man? It's like $100 per 1,000 followers on the
Yeah.
Twitter and so on. I get these messages on Telegram that guys from India offering to fill up with the bots, and we're saying no, we don't do that here, because we trying to be honest, and I think it's paying off. Basing on what I see, the progress in the project, progress on the biggest B token chart, and to see that the people that stay with us right now are cutting the coupons off. I think they are pretty happy, the people who are with us from the beginning. But remember, this is just a start for us. We are getting more and more traction on the social media and around the world. And second phase will be that we're gonna go to the world. So we're gonna go international. Actually, we are now trying to make trying to find out how we can go internationally, but still be in line of our values and on our rules. To not mess everything up, and we still wanna be honest with us. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that again. We don't want to do that artificially. We want to do it in a big short bets way. But of course, the community help will be needed, and for sure. But stay tuned. When we need you, we're gonna call you right now. Just use the platform, use the biggest BIL platform. Comment, like, see what information is over there. Maybe you use some information for the trading. I think it's gonna be useful. We like we said on the previous meeting when it comes to the commodities, we are racing Bloomberg now, so we are have up-to-date data and so on. And right now we are getting some response in the social media rising, so there's more and more people joining on the platform. So be kind to them. If someone have any problems, explain everything. Be as a community, be as a one, and show that we are stronger than any other community on the blockchain. And together, I think we're gonna win. I'm pretty safe about that.
Yes.
So,
sir.
I think I'm done here.
Yes.
Do you have anything else to say,
I
Mikołaj?
do, as always. I always do, actually. Other than that, I think we both agree on that. It's worth mentioning that it takes time, it takes work, but the guys here are honest. And if you have, I mean, what can I say? Haters welcome. If you have some ideas, but also you don't like something or whatever, shoot it. Just go on, write, message. We are not looking for dramas. It's not about drama. It's about just business as usual, nothing personal. So we are not aiming for making like a crazy religious community of blind guys just doing stuff. It's about basically helping each other, what HODLERS said, and working toward whatever you need to use this platform for. This is for you. We just believe in freedom of speech. We believe in free trade market. Whatever you want to do your research, do it good. From what I see on the platform, people are happy about it. So I think that's a good job, and it's just the beginning, as HODLERS said. Other than that, guys, leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription, and make a note in your calendar that DEVS and HODLERS meeting are here every week, 6 p.m. Central Europe time, every Thursday evening. So yeah, you guys are welcome, and you guys are welcome on the platform as well. New update is here. It came out just an hour ago, and feel like home. That's all.
Exactly. You can always ask in the Telegram or Twitter and anywhere you want. But join us on the Telegram. Our community are always helping out. and we always answer all the questions that you have, problems with logging in and so on. We're gonna direct you to the people that are responsible to helping you get through that and so on. So we actually have our own help desk. It is what it is. Maybe it isn't so professional, but it works. And you have direct access to our dev team, so you can write our CTO, you can write our another dev team manager, or our mobile app manager.
Mhm.
So if you have any questions or anything, join our Telegram.
Sure, and leave
Other
a
than
sub.
that, yeah, exactly. Thumbs up. It's a must. Or don't come here anymore. So other than that, Miko, I think we can call it for today.
Yes, please. So yeah, we had a quite various new users here. I like it a lot. It's great to see you guys if you're here for the first time, especially. And if you're not, thanks so much for being here. We really appreciate our loyal viewers, and we see you as always next week on yet another Devs and Holders meeting. Thank you so much, Mr. Orwash. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.